Welcome to the Van Life Cooking Series, where the spirit of adventure meets the sizzle of the kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned van lifer or just curious about the nomadic lifestyle, join us on this culinary journey as we whip up delicious meals on the road. Get ready for a taste of freedom and flavor in every episode. Cooking in a compact kitchen. In the confined quarters of a van, every inch counts. We'll showcase ingenious space-saving kitchen gadgets, collapsible cookware, and compact utensils that turn your tiny kitchen into a culinary powerhouse. Picture a foldable cutting board that doubles as a storage shelf, or a nesting set of pots and pans that neatly stows away in a corner. We'll delve into the art of organization, demonstrating how magnetic spice jars can adhere to metal surfaces, keeping your essential flavors within arm's reach. From smart storage solutions to creative countertop setups, we're here to prove that a small space doesn't mean compromising on culinary excellence. Learn how to create designated cooking zones in your van, maximizing efficiency without sacrificing style. We'll unravel the secrets of cooking in a compact kitchen, where innovation and organization are the keys to a delightful meal on the go. Local flavors, global adventures. One of the joys of van life is exploring new places and trying local cuisines. Join us as we take our kitchen on wheels to diverse destinations, incorporating regional ingredients and flavors into our recipes. Imagine foraging for wild herbs in the lush forests of the Pacific Northwest or visiting bustling farmers markets in the heart of a vibrant city. We'll share insider tips on sourcing the freshest local produce, guiding you through the process of turning market finds into culinary masterpieces. From seaside seafood feasts on the Atlantic coast to mountain-inspired comfort food in the Rockies, we'll showcase the beauty of incorporating local flavors into your van life kitchen. Embrace the adventure of discovering new tastes and culinary traditions as we bring the world's kitchens to your mobile home. Budget-friendly and delicious. Living on the road doesn't have to break the bank. Discover how to create budget-friendly yet scrumptious meals using simple ingredients that won't weigh down your wallet. Dive into the world of meal planning strategies, where a well-thought-out menu can stretch your budget without compromising on taste or nutrition. Learn to navigate grocery aisles with a keen eye for bargains and explore creative ways to transform leftovers into enticing new dishes. We'll share our favorite budget-friendly recipes, proving that gourmet meals on a shoestring are not only possible but downright delectable. Whether it's crafting hearty one-pot wonders or utilizing versatile pantry staples, we'll empower you to savor the journey without draining your pocket. Van life hacks. Cooking in a van comes with its own set of challenges, but fear not, we've got the hacks to make life on the road a breeze. Imagine a kitchen setup where every utensil has a designated space, and every nook and cranny is optimized for efficiency. From organizing your kitchen essentials in a cleverly designed van layout to maximizing your energy sources with solar-powered gadgets, we'll share practical tips that will make your van kitchen efficient, organized, and ready for any culinary adventure. Discover the magic of a well-placed bungee cord for securing pots and pans during travel or the convenience of a hanging shoe organizer repurposed as a vertical pantry. Whether it's a DIY spice rack or a space-saving pot storage solution, we've got you covered with innovative hacks that will elevate your van life cooking experience. Cooking with a view. One of the perks of van life is the ever-changing scenery. Join us as we cook with a view, turning mundane meal preparations into a feast for the senses. Imagine waking up to a sunrise over a serene lake while brewing your morning coffee or grilling up a barbecue dinner with a sunset-drenched beach as your backdrop. We'll share our favorite scenic cooking spots and tips on setting up your kitchen to enjoy the best views while you cook up a storm. Experience the joy of creating delicious meals against the backdrop of nature's beauty, turning every cooking session into a memorable event. Whether it's a mountainous landscape, a coastal vista, or a cityscape at night, our kitchen on wheels transforms into a stage for culinary creativity. Unleash your inner chef while soaking in the breathtaking views that make van life a truly unique and immersive experience. So, hit the road with us and let the Van Life Cooking Series be your guide to delicious meals, stunning views, and the freedom of the open road. Don't forget to subscribe, so you never miss a tasty episode. Until next time, happy cooking and happy trails.